Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. I am M.A. Shelin, an English teacher from Green Academy High School, Natur. This is class 9, English, second paper. Our today's lesson is prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes. So, we know there are 8 parts of speech. 4 of them are keywords or base word or root words, and other 4 words are subsidiary words, and they are pronoun, preposition, conjunction and interjection, and they are not changeable word, but the keywords are changeable, and they are noun, adjective, verb and adverb. So now this is the question of change the word and to make the new words. How can we make the new words from the base word? That should be learned by using suffixes and prefixes. So first we will to know what is prefix. What is prefix? Prefix is letter or group of letters that are added before the keywords and make new word. So prefix, now look, prefix, if we analyze the word, then pre and fix. So for better memorizing, we can remember that prefix will be added before the word. Pre is before, I mean purbe. Purbe, that is prefix বর্ণ বা বর্ণ সমষ্টি এরা যোগ হবে মূল শব্দের পূর্বে এবং নতুন শব্দ তৈরি করবে। So what will about suffix? What will about suffix? Suffix is also letter or group of letters that will be added after the keywords and make new word. So we can follow an example. Suppose act. Act. Act is a keyword. So if we use suffix, then it will be turned into active. It will be turned into active. In the same way, we can discover so many words from act. Let's see. Action. Action. Actor. Actress. and we can make prefix, and we can make new words by using prefix with act, and that would be inactive, inactive. In this way we can make so many new words by using suffix and prefix. So it is very necessary for us to know more about suffix and prefix. I think we should know what is the source of suffix and prefix. You can understand there is a system by which we can make the word into different words, and the name of the system is affix, and affix is two types. One is suffix and one is prefix. Affix, and from affix we get suffix and prefix and suffix. So there are some prefixes and suffixes that are very popular to us. Let's know about them. These are the well-known prefixes and suffixes. Using these letter or letters, we can make so many new words. So you may ask me question, why we will make new word? For making new text, we need so many words. If you want to write a paragraph, if you want to write a text, write an article, so many words are needed. So from the base word, using prefixes and suffixes, we can make new words, such as honest. This is a keyword. So how many words can we make from this very word? Now look at the board. Honesty. Honesty. Honestly. Honestly. Dishonest. Dishonest. Then dishonesty. Then dishonestly. These very words are needed to make new sentences. Suppose সে সৎভাবে জীবনযাপন করতে চায়, এই ইংরেজিতে আমাদের করা প্রয়োজন। সো হাউ ক্যান উই মেক দ্য সেন্টেন্স? সে সৎভাবে জীবনযাপন করতে চায়। এখন আমরা সততার ইংরেজি জানি অনেস্ট, বাট অনেস্ট ব্যবহার করে এই ইংরেজিটা শুদ্ধভাবে লেখা যাবে না। সো what will be happen? সে সৎভাবে জীবনযাপন করে, he leads his life honestly. So here we will to use honestly. If we use honest here, the sentence will be incorrect. So in this sense, we can say suffixes and prefixes are very needed for us. In the same way, there are some another word race. Race is a keyword and this is adjective. Suppose we need to make the word verb. So how can we do it? This is adjective. So if we want to make the word as verb, then it will be enrich. Here is two sentences. Look, he is a race man. But if we want to make the word as verb, so we will to write he can enrich, he can enrich his lessons. He can enrich his lesson. Here, enrich is a verb. So, in this way, by using the help of suffixes and prefixes, we can make so many new words. Here is a text for you. Look, there are some words, they are within bracket and they are not in order. If we want to make the text in correct order, we will to add suffixes or prefixes with the words. Now try to read out the text. Reja, Rana and Shuja are three brothers in bracket. Reza is an act in bracket boy. He is very attend in bracket to his work. He does his work successful in bracket. Rana is a good student. He is very hope in bracket. He goes to school regular in bracket. He never obey in bracket his teachers, but Shuja is different in bracket. He is neither a good student nor a good work in bracket. He is liked in bracket by others. Now follow my students. You will to make the word correct using suffixes and prefixes, and if you do so correctly, then it will be a good text for you. Now let's make the word correct. Look again. Reja Rana and Shuja are three brothers. Reza is an active boy. Okay, here act in bracket and it will be active. And first one is brothers. Then he is very attentive to his work. Actually, he is very attentive to his work. Okay, so attend will turn into attentive. Now he does his work successful. Actually, he does his work successfully. সফল নয়, সফলভাবে. So he does his work successfully. He does his work successfully. Rana is a good student. He is very hope in bracket. So what will be the form of the word hope? Hopeful. That is ashabadi. So hope will turn into hopeful. Okay, then he goes to school regular in bracket. Actually, he goes to school regularly. So regularly. Then he never obey his teachers. Of course not. He is a good student, so he of course obeys his teachers. So never disobeys his teachers. Okay, he never disobeys his teachers. So disobeys. So disobeys his teachers. But Shuja is different. Actually, he neither good student nor good work in bracket, that is worker, ভালো ছাত্র না, ভালো কাজও করে না. সো সে হবে উদাস টাইপের. হ্যাঁ, সুজা অ্যাকচুয়ালি উদাস টাইপের ছেলে. সো ডিফারেন্ট উইল টার্ন ইনটু বি ইনডিফারেন্ট. Sorry, indifferent. Shuja is indifferent. He is neither a good student nor a good worker. Not work, but worker. And last one, he is like in bracket by all. Of course not, as he is an indifferent boy. He does not do his duty accordingly. He never does his work timely. So he will not be liked by others. So he is disliked by others. So last one is disliked. Now look, we have used prefix, and sometimes we have used suffix, and sometimes we have used both suffix and prefix with the word for making correct form. In this way we can complete the text into right order by using suffix and prefix. Dear students, this is one of the grammatical lessons for your class. So if you try to learn it, I think it will be very easier to you to successfully do the lessons. But one thing should be very clear to you: if you don't practice more and more, you will not be able to make the text correctly order by using suffix and prefix. So there are so many spaces for your practicing. You can use the board question for practicing or model questions for practicing. More and more you practice, I think more and more you learn. So that's all for today. Now hope for the best. Thank you for being with me. Everybody, best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.